Hey guys, and today we're here at Skypark and I met this cool dude. His name is Socal. He's riding a Nomad Santa Cruz. Alright, I'm gonna try to follow him. I know he got more experience than I do. So I'm gonna try to get closer. Alright, I love this place, man. The ground is hard packed. It's not loose. This is my first time. Alright, let's see what this trail got to offer. This trail called Arrow.
Woo!
So this one coming up is wooden wall. Alright, step up. Blow, down. Okay, not a problem. Okay, this one's about to drop.
Yon!
Bow. Up.
Yon!
Okay. Okay.
Yung pala yon, outside!
Berm. Bow.
Ayos,
Bow.
bossing!
This trail is so fun, man. Look. Step up. Bow. I'm not gonna
Ayos.
hit the wooden wall. Alright, we're gonna keep on grinding. Oh, is that tire? Yeah, I went up to that tire, the big old tire. Be careful with that. Bow. And then we're almost on the fire. Watch out for people coming up. And then we're gonna drop down right
Mga parating!
here. Okay, this is the continuation of Arrow. Drop it in. Alright. There's some wooden features up in here.
Woo!
Okay. Alright. Bow. Okay. Man. Bugs, man. You're so fast, dude. I can't keep up. I might hit that. There you go.
Yun, nakuha ko yun!
Slow down, Pogs. Socal. Alright. What is this? That's a twister. Wooden twister. Okay.
55!
There's the bridge. Drop it off. And then make sure you hit before that turn. Because it's coming fast. Okay.
Uy, ano yun?
I see
Tabletop ba
Pogs.
yun?
I didn't hit that.
Tabletop ba yan?
What's a
Hindi ko
tabletop?
tinira!
But it looks sketchy,
Nagulat
so I didn't hit it. What is this? Wooden wall. Plow. No problem. Pop
Nagulat
it.
ako!
And berm. Bow. Turn. Left
Okay.
turn. What is this? Bow, bow. No problem. Right turn. Lefty turn. Right turn.
O yan!
Man, this place is fun. Bow. Okay. Another drop. Bow. Okay. Oh man, this place is so much fun, man. And that's pretty much it, man. Pogs, bro, you're too fast for me, man.